In today's video, we're going to cover how to add a qualifying child as a dependent in TurboTax. Start in TurboTax and open the My Info area. This is where your personal and household details are managed. Scroll down until you reach the Dependent section, then select Add Another Dependent. If you already have information entered for yourself or other family members, leave that as it is and move directly to the option for adding someone new. TurboTax will bring you to a screen that asks who you support. On this screen, choose Child, then click Continue. This selection tells TurboTax that you are adding a dependent who may qualify under the child dependent rules, so it is important to pick the child option rather than another dependent category. Next, enter your child's basic information. Type in your child's first name, last name, date of birth, and citizenship status. Check each field as you go, especially the birth date, because TurboTax uses that information to determine eligibility for certain tax benefits. Once those details are entered, click Continue. You will then see the additional information screen for this person. Here, confirm the relationship that applies. TurboTax may list options such as son, daughter, stepchild, foster child, brother, sister, or another qualifying child relationship. Select the one that matches your situation, then answer the residency questions shown on the same screen. These questions help confirm whether the child meets the requirements to be claimed on your return. After you finish those answers, click Continue. The next screen asks for more about your child's situation. Read each prompt and respond based on your child's circumstances. The exact questions can vary, but they are there to determine whether your child qualifies as a dependent and whether any additional tax considerations apply. Move through each answer carefully, then click Continue to keep going. After that, enter your child's Social Security number, or ITIN, in the field provided. Make sure the number is entered exactly as it appears on the official document, since a mismatch can cause issues later in the filing process. When you are done, click Continue. TurboTax will then show you a review of the dependent information you entered. Take a moment to read through the name, date of birth, relationship, residency responses, and identification number to make sure everything is correct. If something looks off, correct it before moving forward. If the details are accurate, continue on with the rest of your tax return. Thanks for watching. Your